I am Rajesh Kamble, Managing Director and CEO of Prestige Assurance PLC. To tell about me, I am from India, the New India Assurance Company Limited. I have worked in this company for last 32 years, and I have worked in various parts of the country as well as outside India also. So I have worked in New India Assurance Company as a risk engineer, then branch manager, then divisional manager, then senior divisional manager and regional manager. So I have exposure in various fields like marketing, administration and technical side. I have worked in India in various parts, as like I have worked in New India foreign operations also. So I was with the New India Assurance Company Limited, Mauritius branch from 2005 to 2009, and in India International Insurance Private Limited, Singapore from 2013 to 2017. Since 1952, when the company was established in Nigeria, Prestige has helped in shaping how insurance business is conducted. With our prompt claim settlement, our clients have no reason to worry in taking business risk, knowing fully well that the company is solid behind them. For us as a company, we are working very hard to ensure that in the next 5 years we will be one of the best companies in Nigeria, one of the best company in Nigeria. Already we have rolled out various innovative products and have increased our presence in many parts of the country. Actually, we have already 5-year strategy plan which has been decided, and it will run for 2022 till 2026. The drive to reach out the need of every Nigerian vigorously being pursued. As leaders, we must be innovative, thinking outside the box. Leader must be team leader and team binders as well. Leaders have to follow current trends and tailor their decisions and products towards the emerging trends. Leakages should be blocked to the barest minimum, while ensuring that hardworking and deserving staff are rewarded. In doing this, growth will definitely increase. If I can recall, the government has been ringing the bell of compulsory insurance on various types of insurances, just like building insurances and so many things. But mostly it is not followed by the insuring public as well as the insurers. The government should be doing and then taking the control on this aspect. The regulator needs to step in for doing these activities. In our opinion, if correct rating is done for the correct risk, then there will not be any reason to pay the claims in faster time or like in very minimal time. That's a As you are aware, we are already raising capital to meet the regulators' capital requirement. So that is, you are aware of that recapitalization is already asked by NICOM to do. We are working very hard to ensure that in next 5 years we will definitely meet up with the requirements of the regulator, and we will try to meet up these requirements maybe with private placement and some profit retention. My message to our shareholders is that their company is strong brand managed by seasoned administrator both at the board as well as management level. Aside this, Prestige enjoys the support of the parent company, which is the New India Assurance Company from India, which has a global presence in 28 countries of the world. Therefore, shareholders' investment is not only secured but with good return on investment.